Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S. First, carefully unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application, which is essential for managing your device. Once installed, open Ledger Live and choose the option to set up a new device, specifically selecting your Ledger Nano S. Now, let's secure your device with a PIN code. On your Ledger Nano S screen, you'll be prompted to choose a PIN. This code should be between 4 and 8 digits. Use the left and right buttons to select each number, pressing both buttons simultaneously to confirm. After setting it, you will need to re-enter the PIN to ensure accuracy and security. This is the most critical step, recording your 24-word recovery phrase. Your Ledger Nano S will display each word individually. It is absolutely vital to write these words down precisely, in the exact order, on the recovery sheet provided in your box. Never store this phrase digitally. After writing, you will confirm the phrase on your device to ensure it's correct. With your device set up, connect it to Ledger Live and allow Ledger Manager access. Navigate to the Manager section in Ledger Live to install the specific cryptocurrency applications you wish to use, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once your apps are installed, proceed to create accounts for each cryptocurrency within Ledger Live. You can create multiple accounts for better organization.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.